learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Li Chao was born in Dahu Township in Miaoli. His most famous work is the Wintry Night Trilogy, a series of stories about Hakka people living in Taiwan from the Japanese colonial period to World War II. He won the Wu Sanlian Literary Award with this trilogy, and it became the first piece of Hakka literature to be adapted for television. With careful research, he's made his storyline as detailed as possible and has given a breath of life to the Hakka ancestors.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another edition of Talk About Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And today maybe Leo can introduce another person, another famous person, whether it's in the world of music, literature, or arts from the Hakka culture.
好啊，我今天來介紹一位作家。
Oh, literature. Okay, so someone who is an author, someone who's a writer. 作家怎麼說呢？
作家。
作家 Okay, that means an author. 作家叫什麼名字？
李喬有聽過嗎？
李喬
就是李喬老師。
李喬老師沒有這個真的沒有聽過。
那你一定聽過他的作品。
OK， 請說。
他的作品叫做《寒鴉散步曲》。
寒鴉散步曲。散步曲 means a trilogy. 有，這個就有聽過。寒夜的
對，寒夜。
對，這三部曲是哪三部？
它這三部就是寒鴉，就是寒夜嘛。
寒夜 A cold night.
然後還有第二部就是訪春。
荒春 And then an abandoned village.
然後第三部呢就是孤燈。孤燈
and also the lonely light.
那你光是看這些書名你就可以了解到其實他這部作品就主要是描寫客家民族在抵抗大環境力求生存的故事。
這可能是在戰爭時期的故事吧。對不對？
其實它是從清朝末年一直到這個民初這段時間
1895年
超
對 There's been a long period of war with the Japanese, I believe, and Hakka in Taiwan since 1895. So the backdrop is that, and so the stories are focused on war, 就是戰爭。Okay, if you got time, go check out this trilogy. It's called 寒夜三部曲。
寒鴉散步曲。
寒鴉散步曲 Okay, it literally means the Cold Night Trilogy, but I think officially is known as the Wintry Night Trilogy, and it's by author Li Chao.
Li Chao,
who is an author, 作家。Go check it out and read up on this. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.